This is Sanjay and I'm here to explain you about Hacktoberfest. And literally there is only one day left for you to contribute towards the Hacktoberfest and earn the Holopins, which is like this year's perk. So without any further introduction, let me get started. So what you need to do is click on start hacking after going to the hacktoberfest.com. And yes, eventually there are some set of details you need to fill it up for the registration, which is very straightforward. They will ask you a couple of questions regarding whether you would like to go contribute towards the coding or non-coding, and it will ask you details regarding how experienced you are as a developer. All right, so once that is done, when you start contributing towards any of the repositories, you will be able to see this progress bar over here. So now you can see I have contributed towards one of the repository, which is part of the Hacktoberfest, and it has been counted, and one is there in the review. Now, if I complete 4 out of 4 pull requests, I will be getting the holopin in my repository. Holopin in my particular dashboard, and which you can eventually push into your GitHub profile over here and try to make pretty much kind of a personal branding or show of your badges in your LinkedIn or GitHub profile over here. And by saying that, try to follow each other if you are using the GitHub account right now. So this is a very great way to communicate each other. You will be getting the updates, like for the people example, these are the people I'm following. So I do get the updates regarding what they are doing, and I can follow them back and even kind of start their repositories or something like that. So this is a kind of great way to get started. Now, the next thing is, if you're wondering which all repository projects have the Hacktoberfest, you can go to the GSoC projects right now. I think 85% of the projects is already part of Hacktoberfest. For example, you can over here, you can search machine learning. So you will be able to see this particular machine learning repo over here, or any of the repo. I'm just not choosing any repo, just like that. So over here, you will be able to see Hacktoberfest. So this tag is very important. So any of the repository you go, you check this particular tag is available or not. If yes, available, for example, if you are a complete beginner, you can do the exact same step which I'm telling you right now. Click on any of the particular folder and go to any of the random folder. Try to improvise the existing readme, and few of the folders doesn't have the readme, so you can improvise it yourself or something like that. For example, over here, you can see this AI code reviewer is there. You can even use the help of ChatGPT. Just copy the code, put that in the ChatGPT, and ask the ChatGPT to create a nice README file for you. And click on do a pull request. And once the pull request is been done, so for example, there are a couple of pull requests over here, right? So this has been done in the same exact similar way which I told you. So this person has added a README file, which is good. So as a reviewer, I will review this particular profile and click on submit review. And I do click on confirm merge, right? So once this confirm merge is happened, you just make sure that this particular pull request has been assigned to you. This is kind of very important in terms of to get this Hacktoberfest badge. And this should be under Hacktoberfest accepted. So these are the 2 criteria for your profile to get added into your Hacktoberfest. Now, if you go and refresh your profile, you will be able to see that particular Hacktoberfest tag or particular pull request is currently available in your dashboard, and it's under review. For example, over here, this is one of the pull requests which I have raised few times back, and you can see this has been accepted and is currently in review. So once the review process is been over, you will be able to get the badge, right? So usually the review takes around 15 minutes time to 7 days. Yeah, I know tomorrow is the last day, but you can try your best by contributing to different repositories and try to get it. Now, once this has been done, you will be receiving an email saying that claim your badge. So once you register for this program, you receive a badge, and once you do the particular PR, and every PR you will be getting badges, up to 4 badges. So in total, there will be 5 badges. So you can click on show inventory, and you can see all the currently added badge over here. You can add that badge into your dashboard. You can align it how much you would like to be, how it look you want to be appear. Now you can see holopin.io @sanjay.kv.com, right? So now what you can do is like you can show this your badge in your repository, special readme file. All right, just check the link below if you don't know how to create a special readme profile like this, or you can just try to follow me or try to reach me out asking any help regarding this. Click on edit button, and over here you will be able to just choose a random place over here, right? So let me just copy the code. So this is the basically code href. I will be putting this code in the description below. So what you need to change is like change your name, how it looks like over here. So this is like Sanjay KV. This is not your GitHub ID, right? So what you do is like Sanjay KV, IMGSRC, the link, comma Sanjay KV. This should be your name. How exactly it appears over there, Sanjay KV. You don't need this to add. Now I click on preview. You will be able to see this particular Hacktoberfest badge appearing on my GitHub profile without any further things. And more the badge you get, you can add more the badges over here. So that's the beauty of this particular thing. And if you would like to take your show off game to a next level, you can go to a LinkedIn and start doing a post. For example, over here you can see people started sharing their achievements over here. So she has got 4 of the level badges and registration badge, and say that okay, how really the journey was, and anybody helped you or something like that. So this is a great way to show you that okay, you are working on something, and show the other people in your community that okay, this is what you do or something like that. And if you click over here on the join Discord, you have the amazing community of 76,000 people on the Discord, and you can see currently 3,800 people are currently active. So this is how the community works. This is how the Hacktoberfest is all about. So it's all about the collaboration first and coding second. And I hope you enjoyed this particular session on a brief summary about how the Hacktoberfest is working. And thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.